Ellie, look at this. You know, if you ever thought about making something extra, just like you, think about this. Wow.
Okay, my turn.
That sauce.
Oh my God.
Right? We should call him DAJE. Let's go in Roman dialect. The DAJE Panino. DAJE! Ingredients. Guess what we are doing today? Did you know?
No.
We are creating an iconic Roman panino and we are going to name it DAJE in Roman dialect. Let's go! We are making the ultimate mayo. So the ultimate mayo, the ultimate DAJE mayo. From scratch we're making it. 1 egg yolk. Oh, cacchio. Okay. We've got white vinegar, avocado oil, and lemon. Very basic mayo recipe. Ellie is the best at doing this, so she's gonna start with that process. And then we're adding unbelievably gorgeous, delicious, flavorful ingredients to create the ultimate condiment. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, a pinch of salt, and now we add the avocado oil a little bit at a time while mixing. We set the mayo aside and we prepare the next layer of the incredible mayo. We have little pickles, cucumbers of course, Sicilian capers. Are they Sicilian? Capers. We got something missing in this little prep. We need an olive. Perfect. Ellie, I'm salivating.
I'm so hungry.
Are you though?
I'm really excited for this.
Me too. Okay, this is ready. 3 cucchiai di maionese.
Getting the most out of it.
Concentrato di pomodoro.
Tomato paste.
Ellie, senape.
Mustard.
Now we add our little incredible mixture. Fire and desire. A pinch of salt. Un pizzico di sale. Perfetto. Guys, this condiment is sentiment based. Meaning, you taste it and you add as you please.
It's good.
It needs more salt. It needs a little garlic. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 generous teaspoon of honey. 2 very thin chicken cutlets. For the base, when we do the cutlet, when you're whisking the egg yolk, you need to make sure that it combines into the white. Look how thin this is. Okay, first it goes into this. Now this is what I want. I want a mixture of equal parts of double O flours and breadcrumbs into that platter.
Avocado oil goes in.
Trick. When it gets all brown on the edges, see it's almost there, we flip them. Salt them. Set the cutlets aside. Now look at this beauty. Smoked caciocavallo cheese.
Wow.
Smell it. Approved?
So approved.
Nice. We're gonna cut it again down. We're gonna make slices. Perfect. See how the wax is here? I'm gonna get rid of the wax. How's that? It's good, right?
Good.
Let's melt the caciocavallo. I love using the serrated knives for the tomatoes because it really gets a good grip on it. Butter lettuce. Tomato. Slice of prosciutto. This is San Daniele. Paper thin. just gorgeous. Romans would be proud. Ali, I want you to bite into it and tell me if every single layer is perfectly going together.
Okay, ready?
You know, sì, I wanna know from you.
I have to brace myself.
No, aspetta, you haven't even
Mama.
tasted it.
Mama, I'm tasting it.
Okay.
Everything's in my mouth.
Okay, but listen, this is not about emotions that are frivolous and superficial. I want you to take a moment within yourself, yourself, and the panino. You're in a room alone, nobody's watching. You're not doing a show or you're doing a play acting, nothing. We're truly alone in this moment, and it was just you and DAJE, our new panino in creation. What would you be thinking for real?
You know what I'm thinking?
Yeah, no,
You know what I'm
actually,
thinking?
talk to me.
The entire time you were speaking to me before you even asked me what I was thinking, where is the best place to bite into this sandwich? But you know what I was thinking?
What?
It's any place. It's actually any place. You could see me looking around like...
You're like, oh, where should I bite into
Run
it?
the tapes! I was looking at that entire sandwich and every single spot is amazing to bite into.
If you want the recipe, we send every Thursday one free recipe to our newsletter subscribers.
You gotta have this.
But also, if you want more masterclass, authentic Italians, the live cooking demos, then you also can and should join the Royal Court of Pasta. That's superb. That's extra. That's exclusive. Just like you, Ali. It's pretty good, right? We did something amazing today.
Wow.
See you next week. It's gonna be even more gorgeous, just like us.